Welcome to Treasure Island Food Glossary, Chapter 1. Here we will help you familiarize with ingredients, spices, desserts, cheese and pastas and so much more about food and their purpose. Number 1 on our list is miso soup, which is a traditional Japanese soup, consisting of a stock called dashi, into which softened miso paste is mixed. The most common dashi soup stocks for miso soup are made of dried baby sardines, dried kelp, thin shavings of dried and smoked skipjack. Second on our list is nori rolls or nori, which is the Japanese name for edible seaweed species of the red algae. Globally, nori is commonly used as a wrap for sushi. Number 3 is teppanyaki, a style of Japanese cuisine that uses an iron griddle to cook food. The word teppanyaki is derived from teppen, which means iron plate, and yaki, which means grilled, broiled, or pan-fried. Teriyaki is number 4 on our list. Teriyaki is a cooking technique used in Japanese cuisine, in which foods are broiled or grilled with a glaze of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Number 5 is mahi-mahi, an Hawaiian name. This fish is a moderately fat fish with firm and flavorful flesh. Mahi-mahi is best prepared simply, as in grilling, baked or broiling. In Fiji, mahi-mahi is best prepared as kokonda. Fish stock is 6th on our list. Fish stock forms the basis of many dishes, particularly fish soups and sauces. In the West, it is usually made with fish bones and fish heads and finely mixture of onions, carrots, and celery. Number 7 is pineapple salsa. The popular ingredients of pineapple salsa consist of pineapple, lime, red onion, cilantro and pepper. This is great with grilled pork, skirt steak, grilled chicken, or fish, or it can be served as an appetizer with chips. 8th on the list is the sirloin steak, which is cut from the back of the animal. Sirloin steaks are usually grilled, pan-fried, or broiled. Number 9 is the Neapolitan sauce, is basic tomato-based sauces derived from Italian cuisine. Common ingredients of Neapolitan sauce consist of olive oil, garlic, fresh ripe tomatoes, castor sugar, salt and freshly ground pepper, red chili, and fresh basil leaves. Number 10, penne pasta, which is a type of pasta with cylinder-shaped pieces. Penne is traditionally cooked al dente and served with pasta sauces such as pesto and marinara. Number 11 is fettuccine, which is a type of pasta popular in Roman cuisine. It is a flat thick noodle made of egg and flour, wider than, but similar to the tagliatelle. It is often eaten with beef ragu and chicken ragu. Number 12 is spaghetti. Spaghetti is a long, thin, cylindrical, solid pasta. Like other pasta, spaghetti is made of milled wheat and water. Fusilli is number 13 on the list. Fusilli is a long, thick, corkscrew-shaped pasta. The word fusilli, presumably, comes from fuso, as traditionally, it is spun by pressing and rolling a small rod over the thin strips of pasta to wind them around it in a corkscrew shape. Number 14 is bolognese sauce, which is a meat-based sauce originating from Bologna, Italy, hence the name. Outside Italy, the phrase bolognese sauce often refers to a tomato-based sauce to which mince has been added. Number 15 is Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is a hard, dry cheese made from skimmed cow's milk. It has a hard pale golden rind, gritty texture and sharp, fruity, and nutty in flavor. As for mozzarella, it is a soft southern Italian cheese, traditionally made from Italian buffalo milk. Number 16 is pine nuts, which are the edible seeds of pines. Pine nuts are perfect for salads, pesto and baked goods. They are crunchy yet butter-textured, and pleasantly sweet. Number 17 is calamari, which is the Italian and culinary name for squid. Their meat is firm and white with a mild, slightly sweet and almost nutty flavor. Number 18 is involtini. Involtini is an Italian word for a small bite of food, consisting of some sort of outer layer wrapped around a filling. Involtini can be made with a wrapper of meat, poultry, seafood or vegetables, with fillings like cheese, vegetables, cured meats, and nuts. Number 19 on the list is tandoori. This form of marinade originated in the Indian subcontinent. It consists of yogurt, garlic, ginger, turmeric, onion, cayenne pepper and red chili powder. Furthermore, this marinade is mainly applied to chicken dishes. Number 20 is oregano, which is a common species of oreganum, a type of the mint family. Number 21 is saffron. Saffron is obtained from the stigma of the flowers from the saffron crocus plant. It is very delicate and the threads are hand-picked. It is commonly used today in cooking, and the brighter red the spice is, the higher the quality. A pinch of the spice can be added to soups, stews, risotto and rice dishes, as well as to any tomato-based sauce. Number 22 is olives. Commonly found in much of Africa and the Mediterranean basin, olives are a major agricultural importance in the Mediterranean region as the source of olive oil. A popular use of olives is the olive oil and olive pickles in which one can find on supermarket shelves. Number 23 on the list is soy glaze, which is a reduction brown sugar stirred and slow cooked with soy sauce, white sugar, water, white wine vinegar, rice vinegar, and ground ginger, until it becomes sticky and syrup-y in consistency. Red wine use is number 24 on the list, which is a French culinary term meaning in the juice. Red wine use is a culinary sauce, prepared with wine as a primary ingredient, heated and mixed with stock, butter, herbs, spices, onions, garlic and other ingredients. This sauce is then slow cooked and reduced until it becomes sticky, syrupy and flavorsome. Number 25 is beef Wellington. Beef Wellington is a preparation of fillet steak, coated with pâté and duxelles, which is then wrapped in puff pastry and baked. Main ingredients of beef Wellington consist of fillet steak, pâté, puff and pastry. Port wine reduction stands at number 26. Reduction is the process of thickening and intensifying the flavor of a liquid mixture, such as wine or port, by simmering or boiling until the liquid has reduced in volume. Lastly is the fillet carpaccio. Carpaccio is a dish of raw meat or fish thinly sliced or pounded thin and served mainly as an appetizer. It is the international name of a typical Italian dish made with raw meat.